Okay, it's already 1:53, and you can see we're getting gusty winds. I put that on my text, and we're getting winds up to 5 miles per hour, so that means the feels like is 32 because the outdoor is 36 degrees. A second ago, we just had an 8-mile-per-hour wind gust, and within the past hour, it was 11 miles per hour, so the temperatures are already at freezing, so the feels like just went up. There's a wind symbol, so they do this 8 times a day. The National Weather Service updates this, so I wouldn't be surprised by tonight if they put the wind symbol. Right now, that's from the rain from this morning. We had 2.18 inches of rain. It didn't get up to 52. It actually got up to 40 degrees, and it's going down to 7 degrees tonight. Okay, 2 o'clock now, and we just had a wind gust of 14 miles per hour from the bombogenesis. You could see now 6 miles per hour. It feels like went down to 27 when it was at 14 miles per hour. Temperature is now at 36 degrees. Okay, we just had 11 mile per hour wind gust just a second ago. Now it's down to 5, and you could see the wind gust got up to 15 miles per hour at 2 o'clock. It's now 3 o'clock, and temperatures are now down 29 degrees. The last hour was 34 degrees, so it dropped 5 degrees within 1 hour, so it already dropped. So it dropped 11 degrees since 12 o'clock in 3 hours. On the bottom it says flash freeze. We're undergoing a flash freezing. 4 o'clock, and you can see we're below 32 degrees, and we're already starting to ice up. Okay, live from Belmead, New Jersey, we're tracking this storm, the aftermath of Winter Storm Harper. The other day, last Sunday, a week from today, they were expecting 20 inches on the European model, but you can see that didn't happen. And then the next day, on Tuesday, it went down to 1.5 inches of snow, and then Wednesday was back up to 6 to 12, and then it went back down 3 to 6 on Friday, and then Saturday, yesterday, it was 1 to 3 instead, or down 1 to 1 inch, and then we got nothing. We just got a few flurries. And here's the stats we had. We had 2¼ inches of rain. Right now the temperature is 24 degrees. We're having a flash freeze. We don't usually get that here in New Jersey. Last year we had frozen America where the temperatures went down really cold, but it was slowly dropping like a degree or 2 an hour, how it usually does. But tonight, it was 4 hours ago at 12 o'clock, it was 40 degrees today. Now it's at 24 degrees. It dropped 16 degrees within 4.5 hours. It's 4:40 now at 24 degrees, and the winds, they've been gusting up to 15 miles per hour. You can see the gusts going back right now. I didn't bring my anemometer because it doesn't attach to my thing, but we're probably getting a good gust of 15 miles per hour. You can see the winds are picking up now. We're starting to get the winds right here. You can see on my new anemometer right there on the right side, you can see the anemometer is picking up 12 mile per hour wind gusts a second ago. Now it's down to like 2 miles per hour, but a second ago it was just up to 12 miles per hour. Look right over here. Oh, here comes another wind gust. Here we go. Starting to sway back and forth a little bit. Nothing too bad yet, but it's going to start picking up tonight, and the cold temperature is going to start dropping like a rock tonight. Also, this morning we had fog, so if the fog comes back, we could have a freezing fog, which is really cool. It's very dangerous, though, for driving because it freezes. The particles of fog is a thin droplets of water in the air, so it's hard to see with regular fog. And then if it freezes up tonight, it's going to look like a blizzard in the sky, like especially on the tree, wherever it sticks to. The sun came out today, so that's good because the rain, it all melted, and it's now at 24 degrees, so everything's going to freeze up. Also had a bombogenesis. It was 30.10 inches per mercury, and now it's at 29.10, so it dropped 34 millibars, and the criteria is 24 millibars. And also there was a mudslide on our side of the house. Not really, but it was muddy, a ditch of mud. We have a mudslide going on right over here. You can see all over here, it's all muddy. Look at this. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna go back now. We'll be back tomorrow and show you the ice tomorrow. Stay tuned. Check this out, the winds are now at 16 miles per hour. The feels like is -15, and the outdoor temperature, the ambient temperature is 4 degrees. Look at that. We just had a gust of 16 miles per hour. That might be we're tying the coldest wind chill that we've ever seen in New Jersey since 10 years ago. But we've seen -4 last year. I don't know why they never put out the wind alert on that forecast. Look at all this right here. It can all turn to a flash freezing. Live from the Grigstown Causeway, this is the other end by 518. Listen to this. You can see the ice is it's crunching. Look at that, the ice froze. Check this out. This is very cool right over here. This is like frozen America again. Look at this, the whole thing's frozen. Okay, we're now here at the Grigstown Causeway at our intersection, and you can see, look at this. Look, it's starting to freeze up. This is crazy. Whoa! Something just fell out of the tree. The icebergs. It was like that TV show on the Weather Channel where they were trying to shoot the icebergs. Look at that. There might be some sublimation. The sun might melt the ice, but it's going to take a while for the road to reopen because it's not going above 32 degrees till Wednesday, and then there's going to be 1.5 inches of rain, so we might not even see this road open until like Saturday or Sunday even. Look at this, it's pretty cool. Holy cow, it's cold out here. Woo! It's windy. Look at this. You got to just check this out though. Look at that. Down there it's still flowing over slightly, but it's starting to freeze over. Okay, it's a day later and the road is still it's closed. Well, the water receded, but it's still iced up, and unfortunately I was flying the drone and it got stuck right there. It won't come back. I'll keep trying it. Okay, they just reopened the canal, but right here the side parking lot is extremely icy and dangerous right over here. But look at those shots right over there. This whole thing is iced up right here. You can see they plowed it right here. Look at those pictures. Look, it's never been icy here before. They now opened the road for drivers to come by. Look at this ice right here. Here's a closer picture of you. And you can see this is the end of where the parking lot usually is, but it's covered in ice right now. Look, there's a picnic table. And that's where you stop to park your car, right over in this area. There's another picnic table right over there. This is not too impressive. This happened every year. This happens, but our stream in our backyard is frozen right now. Check that out. One year when we were kids, we stand on it, but now that we're much heavier, and that's definitely not good. And look at that. It might not even be all the way down. It might just be a thin layer right now. Oh, look, that's not good. It's creaking. That's not good because of it's so cold. That makes me nervous standing on this. I don't want to fall into the stream. You could see all the ice melted quickly. You can see the parking lot right over there. It all melted, right? You can see the parking lot right over here. You can see that was all flooded with ice and stuff. This is like a normal flood now, receding.